The SABE Slot-bench. It is a modular furniture designed to train the first-year students at the School of Architecture and Built Environment during a one-day hands-on induction workshop. Responding towards a sustainable design, material waste is kept minimal as it is made from a standardized 4x4 sheet of 18mm thick plywood, split into two, and completed with just a few cuts and easy slot-in assembly method. This is one of the cheapest cost of construction as it totals around 50 ringgit per bench, which functions more than just a bench. As it is light and easy to pack up and move from place to place, having improvised, this slot bench can be easily combined or recomposed. Its versatility is proven as it can be reassembled into customized furniture bookshelves, display panels, lightweight partitions, stage platform, and etc., opening the doors of creativity and innovation. Over time, progressively, the SABE Slot-bench has been distributed to several communities including Sungai Buloh Leprosy Settlement, Salak South New Village, being exhibition panels in Sungai Chua New Village, and Kuala Sepetang Community Library, where it was part of a successful children's library and activity center. From furniture to architecture, as this compact modular unit of a bench can transform into an architecture project altogether, the Keramat Community Library built. The fast assembled construction of the library is facilitated by the modular components of benches as its base, as well as bookshelves built of laminated bent veneers to create bent ply structures. From the benches, these bent structures are to adapt and adjust to the on-set condition and live building discrepancies. These bent ply structures serves as the library shelves and also holding up interlocking ply rafters and purlins as the roof of Keramat Garden Library. This latest project is an innovative open source design shared with the community, aiming to stimulate their creativity. With its DIY capability, the SABE Slot-bench has great potential into being commercialized due to its highly affordable cost, versatility, and quality. Finally, with its flat-packed design, the SABE Slot-bench has high potential for utilization in the disaster relief typology as well.